สวัสดีค่ะ it's Pam here and welcome back to Tiger in the Kitchen. Today I'll share the menu that if you've been to a Thai market, you might have seen it. Gai Tom Nampla or boiled chicken with fish sauce and a spicy dipping sauce to go with. Let's start with the ingredients. First, we need chicken. The parts I'm using today are thighs and drumsticks. This menu it can be any part though, because normally we'll see the whole chicken being served anyway, so feel free to pick your favorite parts. Then herbs, we need coriander roots. These look a little bit wilty as I defrosted them. Yes, that's how I keep the roots as it's not common to find coriander with roots from supermarkets here. Have to get from Asian shops. Just clean, pat them dry, fold with paper towel and freeze. Stays for months. Lemongrass. Garlic. Black peppercorns. And for seasonings, we need fish sauce, light soy sauce, thick soy sauce. We use this mainly for the color. It doesn't affect the taste much at all. So if you want a darker color, use it. But if you don't mind, you can skip it, no problem. Palm sugar and water. Okay, this meal we need the herbs essence. So we're gonna mash the lemongrass stalks with a pestle or anything handy to you to break out the fragrance. For garlic, just cut off the hard bulb and mash with a knife. Peel off easily. Peppercorns, we're gonna grind them roughly. We don't need them too fine. Like this is fine. Palm sugar, we're not using the whole one, so slice for 2.5 tablespoons. And then let's move to the stove. So place all the herbs, peppercorns, and palm sugar at the bottom. Put the chicken on top so the herbs are trapped under and infuse better. One and a half liters of water. Make sure it covers the chicken. Then 8 tablespoons fish sauce or a half cup if you measure by the cup. 4 tablespoons light soy sauce. Thick soy sauce just for 1 tablespoon. Then turn the heat on. We are using high heat until the water boils. Once the water boils, we're gonna see the foam and fat from chicken blood and skin. Skim them off as much as possible. Then reduce the heat to medium-low. Wait until the temperature is stable. Poke the chicken if needed. Make sure they are all covered with the soup. We only need a little bubbling thing going on here this much, then we can leave it for 30 minutes, no lid. If you're using the chicken parts that contain some fat, you can expect more fat coming off. Skim it off. Then gently flip the chicken because we don't want to break the chicken skin. Leave it for another 20 minutes, and during that, let's make the spicy dipping sauce. Can't miss this dipping sauce for this menu. Okay, so get the garlic, chilies as much as you want. As you see, I really love it very spicy using several bird-eyes chilies. You can use less and also can use cayenne chilies. If you want to tone the spice down, remove the seeds because that's where the spice is from. Coriander, limes, palm sugar, and fish sauce. To dissolve palm sugar easily, thinly slice it first. And I'm going to chop the garlic, coriander, and chilies into smaller pieces first because this is the size of my mortar. Traveling size has been going on adventures with me. If you have a bigger mortar, you don't need to chop the chilies and garlic, just go ahead pounding. You can even use the blender, just put both dry and liquid ingredients all in one time and blend. For mortar version, we start off with dry ingredients and a little bit of salt to help us mashing. If your mortar is bigger, may as well use another hand to cover it while pounding because the chili can shoot in your eye, not fun. Okay, a rough mash is good enough. Then put palm sugar, 1 tablespoon. Fish sauce, a couple tablespoons, and 3 tablespoons lime juice. Squeeze away. Stir until the sugar is dissolved. Taste and adjust to what you like. Let's go back to the chicken. Flip back again gently. Looking good. Okay, we're gonna boil this size for the last 15 minutes. Then let's serve. Just put the chicken in the bowl, and then when serving, we want to pour some soup in as well. Garnish. Eat with hot steamed rice. Pour a little soup here. Tender. Okay, I'm gonna top on the rice. And a little bit of spicy dipping sauce on top, and enjoy the meal. If you love cooking Thai food and other Asian menus, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you for paying a visit and see you next recipes. สวัสดีค่ะ